Hi, this is Emily Matthews with the housing market update for March 2023 in the Tri-County area, Calumet, Manitowoc, and Sheboygan counties, and a little bit beyond. Looking at our sales for March, there were 108, which is an improvement over February, which was very slim, 91, but it's still down from a year ago. The list price and the sale price are almost identical, so that means it's still a seller's market and sellers are getting 100% of their asking price. In February, the list and sales prices were very similar then also, and both March and February 2023 are above what was happening in March 2022, where the list and sale prices were very similar again, but they were down or below what they are now. So days on market haven't changed that much, as you can see. Currently we have 263 houses on the market, 162 have offers. The average list price is $339,513, which is down a bit. Days on market are 75. Then breaking it down into 500,000 and above, kind of surprising to me, 53 of them on the market, same as last month, but now 20 of these have offers. Only 4 had offers last month, so that means that that market is even speeding up. The average list price is $674,176, which is up a bit from the previous month. Days on market is 135 compared to 130, so that's hardly any difference. And then below 500, we have 210 on the market, 142 have offers. Average list price is $267,575, and days on market is also down for this stratum as well. That means, again, the market is getting even faster than it was, not slower. So as I said, it is a seller's market and the market is speeding up. Here's a little graphic I found that explains the misconception between interest rates and house prices. As we would expect here, when the mortgage rate goes down, house prices definitely are going to go up. But look at this. There's a big clustering here where the mortgage rate went up and the house prices also went up. Here is a cluster of where both the interest rate and the house prices dropped, and this was around 2008. And over here is the thing that people expect, which is when the mortgage rate goes up, that the house prices are going to go down. Very thin on the ground and pretty much related to the aftermath of 2008, which kind of lasted to 2015 or 2016. So putting it in perspective, yes, there are still bidding wars. The last bidding war I had on my last listing, all the prices came in the same, but there were differences in the terms of the offer. You are not going to necessarily see these extreme offers over asking that we saw unless it's a super cheap house, and then you probably will see it. The current interest rate is 6.59 based on the latest data I got, and that is a very good interest rate historically. I have talked to people who bought their first house when it was 18%. Or when it got down to 8.5%, they thought that was wonderful. So here is a quote. When rates go down, house prices go up. When rates go up, house prices also go up. That is usually what happens. As I said before, it's a brisk market. Appreciation is 5.5% over March 2022. And I'd like to remind everyone that the best time to buy real estate is yesterday. So if you have been considering about making a move, here are some options. You can buy now and refinance later when interest rates drop, because they do tend to go up and down. Or you can consider an adjustable rate mortgage. I think that's a really great idea because interest rates are the same for like 10 years with an ARM, and then they adjust. Well, most people sell their house between 7 and 10 years of ownership, so it really is not a big deal because their interest rate doesn't change. They sell the house before that ARM kicks in. Additionally, if you have an ARM and you find that the fixed rate interest rate is to your benefit, then you refinance at that time. One other strategy is to increase your down payment. I know some people feel like that's impossible, but I have access to a crowdfunding down payment program where other people can help you raise your down payment. If you want to know more about that, just contact me. And then finally, you can buy down your interest rate with points. Your lender can explain what this means, but if you have more money than you need for your down payment, instead of making your down payment bigger, you might want to buy down your points if it will benefit you enough, and your lender will answer that issue for you. So for more information, go to housingmarketcycles.com, and that explains a bit more and it has graphs and things like that. This presentation is brought to you by Emily Matthews with RE/MAX Universal, here to help you with all your real estate needs, serving the Tri-County area of Sheboygan, Calumet, and Manitowoc counties and a little beyond. Have a great day.